Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bitmoji app. You will click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on Bitmoji app and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Bitmoji app. And here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.